Scrubzz rinse-free bath sponges. This is the peach scent, okay? Closest thing to a real shower without actually taking one. Just take one of these sponges, add water, and lather, and you are done. This is one that I did. No rinsing is needed. Add water, and you're good to wipe yourself down. You get a real lather, so it feels more like an actual wash. The peach scent gives it a lighter, slightly sweeter option compared to the more neutral versions. So gentle on the skin, does not leave a sticky or soapy residue. Just wipe down and then towel dry. These are such a great option for elderly care when full bathing is not easy. Also really helpful after surgery when showers are not realistic. We've all been there. Works well also for camping, travel, quick cleanups. I even use these on my pups' feet when they come in sometimes to get them wiped down. But these give you that clean, fresh feeling without needing a full shower setup. Highly recommend the Scrubzz bath sponges. This is scent peach. This review is sponsored by the brand.